If you are in pain, if you're struggling with anxiety, stress, too many negative thoughts, feelings, or something that you want to let go of from your past, then this short hypnosis session is going to be perfect for you. Now, repeat listening will rewire your brain and reprogram your subconscious to begin to help you set yourself free. So let's dive deep. You are listening to the Mindset Change Podcast, and today I'm your hypnotherapist, Paul Sheppard, and I'm helping you upgrade your mindset for a happier, healthier, and wealthier you using the power of hypnosis. If you've not yet subscribed, please do by hitting the little plus button at the top of your app. This will ensure you don't miss another episode so you can keep upgrading your mindset for this year. Got to be aware that your subconscious mind may try to take you back to being comfortable and what you did before. By subscribing, you will be notified when a new episode is released, so you can make sure you keep up and create that momentum for your mindset change for 2023. I also want to thank you, Ricky and Gail, for your email requests. I'm glad you love the show, and I hope you find this mini hypnosis session useful for what you wanted help with. And remember, if you do want longer, deeper versions, do visit my Another Level channel. The link is in the show notes. Now, you can do this session whilst walking or commuting, as the subconscious suggestions will seep deep into your mind to create powerful change, but please do not do this whilst driving. So let's get into a comfortable position where you can sit or lie down. You do whatever is right for you. And I'm beginning to just softly focus your gaze on something in front of you. And begin to connect with your breath, breathing slowly and gently in through the nose and out through the mouth. Each out breath will begin to slowly pull your body down onto what you're lying or sitting on, as it lets go of any tension, any tightness that you have been holding on to. Letting go anything you no longer need. With an out breath, just begin to relax the muscles around your forehead. The lines all smoothing out. Maybe a tingling around your scalp, letting you know that you're beginning the process to relax, to go deeper. The muscles behind the eyes becoming a little heavier as they too let go. All the tension, all the tightness that we can hold in the face. Getting a sense of your jaw also beginning to relax, to let go. And as you're breathing out, your neck and shoulders pulling down, as if gravity is just gently holding your body in its hands, keeping you safe, allowing you to just let go and relax. And as your eyes start to feel heavier and heavier, you'll know when it's time to close them, if it's safe to do so. And using the power of your mind, you will see in front of you 10 steps leading down into your subconscious mind. And at the bottom of the steps is a door that will take you even deeper. I wonder what color the door is for you. We're going to start with 10, and you're going to count down with each out breath, taking you down to the next number until you reach the bottom of the stairs. So as you breathe out now, you're taking yourself to the 9th step, to the 8th step, to the 7th step, and continuing at your own pace, deeper into your mind. As you get closer to the door begins to open. And when you reach it, you can see that through the door is an outdoor place where you can relax and heal on a deeper level. And that could be a garden, a meadow, a beach, or somewhere else. Don't focus too much on the details. Even if you see just some grass or sand for now, that is enough. In this place, you are healing and you are safe. But if you can and if you want to, take a good look around at the plants and the colours. And notice that there is some water in this place. Now it could be a river, a pond, or the sea. And it's glistening gold from the rays of the warm sunshine. The warm sunshine that you can feel on your body, soothing you and permeating deep into your muscles to help them let go even further and to unwind and melt like ice cream on a warm summer's day. Now here you can find a place to sit or lie down and feel the sun on your skin, a gentle breeze that softly caresses you to keep you cool and at the right temperature. Now you do know, because you've heard it before, that people heal themselves using the power of the mind. They have suggested to themselves that they are ready for healing and that they are healing, triggering themselves to act on this affirmation to create a powerful healing experience. You have a very powerful mind and know deep down that you can help yourself heal. If you are ready to heal, say this deeply inside your mind right now. I am ready to heal. I give myself permission to heal. I am letting go to heal. And in front of you appears a large, giant, transparent sphere, like a large bubble floating in the air. Now say to yourself, it's time to let go, to heal. And watch the sphere connect with you with a silver cord. Maybe it's touching the heart, the stomach, or your mind. It doesn't matter because you are safe. It's there to work with you. All your memories, your pain, your issues, your negative thoughts and fears are being drawn through the silver cord like a gentle vacuum. All your memories, pain, issues, negative thoughts and fears that you want to let go of. You can see images of your past floating around the sphere, becoming smaller and smaller and smaller. Like tiny photos drifting around. And you can feel any fear, any pain, any tension being drawn out of your body, filling up the sphere. I wonder what that looks like for you. Feeling yourself becoming lighter and lighter, like you'd almost float into the air. And the burdens that have been weighing you down are being just slowly lifted away. Feeling yourself becoming lighter. Floating. Notice that the sphere is becoming heavier and heavier as it takes everything away from you that is no longer needed. And as it lowers down to the ground, and it is done, it begins to roll away from you to the water. Where it bobs around for a moment and then sinks deeper into the water, down to the bottom of the depths, to be forgotten. And you begin to even struggle now to even remember what went into the sphere. And now enjoying the feeling of being lighter. And just for a moment, you get a flash inside your mind of lots of different positive thoughts and memories that are now released for you to be able to focus on. All the people, the pets, everyone that has loved you and still loves you, smiling at you, reminding that you also love you. The evidence being that you're doing this practice with me today. Feel that love surge through your body, lifting you lighter. And press a thumb and finger together on your hand of your choosing and super boost this feeling of gratitude for the love and healing you are experiencing right now. Letting go of your thumb and finger, you know you can come back here at any time. Every time you press your thumb and finger together, you will know how loved and light you can feel. Now getting ready to go through the door. I'd like you to begin to count from 1 to 10. Moving up the steps, leaving behind all your pain and negativity in that bowl, in that sphere at the bottom of the water. Feeling light and happier, buzzing, tingling all over from your healing. When you're ready, gently come back to your surroundings, come back to the room, and open your eyes. And just rest gently there for a while. Be kind to yourself today and be grateful for having the type of mindset that does this type of work. I wonder what you'll notice yourself feeling differently today, experiencing differently today. Feel free to contact me via my WhatsApp community, or by emailing me from the show notes. Let me know what this episode has done for you, what changed for you, or anything else you'd like me to help you with. If you did enjoy this episode and want to get more out of it, there is a longer, deeper version for you to take your healing to a whole new level on the Mindset Change Another Level channel. It goes without saying how generous and kind you are, so please share this episode with anyone you know who could do with this type of healing right now. And for you, make sure you have the most incredible day.